His Excellency Paul Simba Arati from a section of Kisii members of Parliament, and we particularly take exception with Senator Richard Onyonga, the MP for South Mugrango, Silvana Sosoro, the Women Rep Doris Tonya Tota Aburi, and Tutu Chache, Member of Parliament, Honorable Chapet Nyakundi. These leaders have formed a habit of attacking the governor in the media and in public forums without any justifiable reasons or provocation whatsoever. In effect, they are all ill-advised by meddling in the affairs of the county government with the aim of distracting the governor from concentrating in service delivery and development. The senator himself, who is the leader of the clique, should avoid dwelling, blackmail and political influence for survival. Senator Onyonga claims to be seeking for unity among leaders, while he has never made an attempt to even convene a meeting with us honorable MCAS to chart the way forward. But he has chosen to call the governor, who consults with all Kisii leaders on matters of communal interest. The attacks by the four leaders on the governor, hence the county government, includes all in motives with a criminal intent of mudslinging the county leadership. Only yesterday, in a video film led by a section of the media, the said leaders made a choreographed sparking attack on the governor and the county administration in general, while admonishing honorable members of the Kisii County Assembly in a demeaning manner. As the honorable members of Kisii County Assembly, we therefore feel aggrieved and pronounce ourselves as follows. Number one, contrary to the claims by Honorable Soro, members of the Kisii County Assembly haven't complained of any mistreatment from the governor. We haven't equally asked Osoro or anybody else to complain on our behalf. Number two, as the Assembly of Kisii, we have a good working relationship with His Excellency Governor Arati. We have had a good working relationship with His Excellency Governor Arati. We therefore ask the four leaders to respect the stature of MCAs, their contemporaries in legislation and leadership. Number three, instead, the leaders should concentrate in their oversight role in national government and tame the high cost of living which is affecting our people. In fact, Kenya is in this economic mess because of high taxation, which was championed and passed by the same lawmakers who are now wading into county government affairs. The leaders have also blatantly peddled lies on the issue of county spending bills as the cause of alleged low monetary circulation in Kisii County. The claim on reduced money circulation is a figment of their own imagination, which has been debunked by the recent increase of number of banks in Kisii town from 28 to 30.
The pending bills, the county government has been categorical on this matter, where a review is underway on ineligible pending bills following appeals by the contractors themselves. Number six, equally, the matter is in court, and it is in the responsibility of the leaders to vote for the settlement of pending bills unless they want to subvert the course of justice or act as brokers with the intent to siphon money from the merchants. 7, is now emerging that the said leaders, born of contention with the governor, orders on their own vested interests with regard to the much hyped pending bills. Number 8, some of them are contractors who engaged in dubious deals with the former county administration, and their false claims on ghost projects have been thwarted. As contractors, they have also prospects of gaining tenders from the county, hence their evil scheme to try and intimidate the governor to submit to the women's core agenda. Number 9, the leaders claim that the recent actions are born out of a desire to found unity among Kisii leaders, while painting the governor as an obstacle to the cause. Number 10, on the contrary, the governor has indeed been on the forefront in championing the unity of Kisii leaders without regard to party affiliations. He even goes out of his way, being the ODM Vice Chair, to receive and host the head of state, President William Ruto, whenever he visits the county. Number 10, on the contrary, number 11, on the cited cases of insecurity, indeed, this is a function of national government, where again is the purview of the said MPs. So rather than cry in the media, the MPs should hold the Minister of Internal Security to account on any cases of insecurity in Kisii, rather than blame the governor on that which isn't his mandate. Number 12, Also, rather than engage in rhetoric with the governor, the MPs have latitude to petition national government to revert to empowerment programs such as the Kazi Mtaani, so as to engage the youth in income generation activities to steer them away from crime. 13. This is why, to help empower the youth, the governor encouraged the border operators to form the circles, which the leaders are shamelessly calling criminal gangs. Number 14. But instead of supporting the efforts by the border operators, who President Ruto himself gave a personal donation, the same leaders called in and cheered on as the GSU recently clamped down on the circle leadership, disrupting the operations.
In fact, it is Osoro himself who is known to have tried to shield from justice a common criminal, at the same time suspect in a murder case in Kisii, who had 4 active warrants of arrest hanging over his head. Number 16. Further, we take issue with Honorable Nyakundi for claiming that the governor ferries goons to functions based on the standing ovation and the cheering governor receives wherever he addresses the people. This claim is unfortunate as it undermines the intelligence of the residents of the county who are happy with the Governor Arati's brand of leadership. Number 17, Honorable Nyunga, at the same time Honorable Nyakundi, also Honorable Soro, have made another reckless claim which borders on defamation of character on the governor that is behind the spate of insecurity incidents in the county. Number 18, in the view of the foregoing, we therefore demand that Honorable Richard Onyonga, Honorable Chafet Nyakundi, Honorable Silvanus Osoro, at the same time Honorable Doris Aburi, immediately tender and reserve their property to the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency called Simba Arati, and the entire Kisii County Assembly for the public equal accorded to their recent media outburst. And the last one, number 19, on our part, as members of the County Assembly, we are contemplating to adopt of measures to take on the 4 legislators for the Ridicule suffered as a result their unfortunate utterances meant to discourage the Kisii County Assembly, therefore the right-thinking residents.
Kama bunge la Kisii, hatujaridhishwa na hili jambo ambalo waheshimiwa wamefanya. Asa gavana wetu, Senator Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonga ambaye tunamheshimu sana. Tunamuomba badala ya kupiga kelele kwenye TV, nasema atakuja kufanya oversight, atupe tarehe. Sisi kama waheshimiwa hao wote wamesimama hapa nyuma, anakuja ward zenu kuona ni nini tumefanya pale. Acha kelele ya TV, atupe tarehe. Kwanza mimi niko tayari kumchukua basi Central ili angalie ni nini gavana wetu amefanya na tunatarajiwa kufanya. Tumesikia waheshimiwa wanasema hapa gavana anatembea na vijana kwenda mikutano kanisani. Uliona kule South Mugrango, Mheshimiwa Osoro alikuja na vijana wako na mikuki, wako na mishale, wakarushia watu. Sisi gavana wetu hajafanya jambo kama hili. Kwa hivyo tunawaomba hao waheshimiwa, mnasikia wanasema eti gavana amefurusha ma MCA, ni wale watu walikuwa wameweka eti wakuje kuimbichi gavana. Wamepata ni hewa baridi, hot air. Wamepata hao waheshimiwa wako 4 peke yake. Watakuja kuimbichi gavana namna gani na wako watu 4? Tumewaambia kama walikuwa na motion ya impeachment ya kuwekea Simba Arati, hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana. Walete wasilete. Leta tuwaonyeshe. Hii si Nyeri ile mnaenda kutisha mwangaza sijui kule bungeni. Leta hiyo motion tuwamalizane na nyinyi, tuwatube. Na waheshimiwa tuko tayari, hatuko tayari? Tuko tayari. Tumeomba, we dare you. Bring it, we deal with you.